people? Welcome back to another video. So today is July 29, 2024. Basically, mga 2 oras lang yung naging pahinga ko and tulog, kung may tulog man. Dahil dire-diretso na tayo sa ating first destination or ating day 1 technically. Because kahapon parang biyahe lang, so day 0. So today is day 1 ng ating Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam vlogs. And pupunta tayo sa isang tour. Isa tong whole day tour na binuko via Klook. So it is called Mekong Delta Day Tour from Ho Chi Minh and Cu Chi Tunnels. So basically, dalawa yung main attraction na pupuntahan natin. First is Cu Chi Tunnels and second is yung Mekong Delta where we could see the war remnants and pwede din tayo dun mag-boating sa Mekong Delta River. All-inclusive na tong ating tour. Kasama na yung lunch, kasama na yung transportation. Pipick upin tayo dito sa hotel. And ano na ngayon guys, 6:23 AM here, which is 7:23 Manila. So 6:30 yung usapan na pag-pick up dito. So iniintay ko na lang. And kasama na rin dito yung lunch, drinks, transfers, entrance fees. So tatry natin masulit itong tour na ito dahil isang buong araw siya. Kaya sana meron tayong iba yung lakas para kayanin ng tour na ito. At sana makaidlip tayo dun sa biyahe. Kasi 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours daw yung biyahe papunta dun sa Cu Chi Tunnel. So sana kayanin natin. And kung may chance pa mamaya, try ko rin makapamili ng groceries kasi pwedeng magluto dito. So kahit mga boiled eggs lang or whatnot, kung pwedeng mabili, mas maganda yung home cooked meals. Pero syempre titikim din tayo eventually ng mga pagkain dito sa Vietnam. So, yun guys, ang magiging ating itinerary for today. So, tara guys, samahan nyo ako. So, nandito na yung sundo natin guys. Lalabas na tayo. Pinapush pala dito. So, and hi! Yes, that's me. Okay. Okay. And guys, dito tayo. Naka-captain seat sila guys. Ako yung unang sinundo. So, yan. Mukhang komportable itong biyaheng to guys. Mukhang sulit yung binuko sa Klook. Again, kung gusto nyo itong ma-experience din, book it via Klook. And please don't forget to use my promo code AMLKLOOK para magkaroon kayo ng additional discount dito sa tour na ito. Lalagay ko sa description box yung link para madali nyo mabook. Grabe guys, may massager yung upuan nila. May nagpapamassage ako ngayon. Ang sarap. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. So, meron ditong intensity ng massage kung high, low. Ang sarap sa likod. Ang sarap, grabe. Captain seat, yo! Grabe guys, nakaka-amaze tong limousine nila. Or para siyang artista van. Bukod sa may massager, merong charging ports. Tapos meron din siya ng table na ganito. Yan. So, may patungan ka ng stuff. Tapos aircon. So, sobrang komportable. Ngayon, nag-iintay na lang kami. Sinusundo na lang yung mga ibang kasama sa tour kasi join-in tour to. And then, yun nga, tama. 1 hour and a half to 2 hours yung biyahe papunta sa Cu Chi Tunnels. And then, yun yung magiging first stop. Then, sabi ni ma'am, meron daw parang breakfast stopover. Pwedeng bumili ng breakfast. So, we can buy there. Ang saya nito. Sulit na sulit to for me.
What? Do you want his stand up, turn around and say hello with you?
No, thank you.
Maybe later. Okay, and I would like to confirm with you. Where do we go today?
Cu Chi Tunnels.
Our factory belongs to the government. It has opened since 1976. Traditional art in Vietnam is lacquer product. Say no with plastic and chemical painting.
So guys, nandito kami sa first stop sa Handicap Village. Ayan, pinapakita yung mga gawa nila. Ito yung mga gawa nila guys. Ang gaganda naman. So guys, tapos na kami dito sa handicrafts ng mga persons with disability. Ang tawag kasi nila disabled. So we can call them persons with disability, so we could separate the disability from the person. Sabi yun ng psych professor ko before. So anyway, meron sila mga tinitindang different handicrafts na sobrang magaganda guys, pero medyo costly sila. Kasi 50% of the cost daw is itutulong din sa ating mga persons with disability. So if you had a chance na makapunta dito and meron kayong extra, pwede kayong bumili. Medyo mahirap lang siyang iuwi kasi babasagin, so baka mabasag sa luggage. So ito yung first stop namin, and restroom na rin. And then next pupunta na kami dun sa Cu Chi Tunnels mismo. So guys, first budol for today, bupili ako ng dragon fruit smoothie dito sa Lang Viet Lockers. Dito pa rin to guys sa may Vietnamese village. Nauuna ako at wala pa tayong breakfast, wala pa tayong kahit ano dahil 2 hours lang yung tulog natin. So sana makatulong ito. Thank you very much. Nabawasan yung million ko guys. So guys, ito na yung nabili ko. Dragon fruit shake smoothie. Masarap siya guys kahit walang sugar. Milk lang. Masarap. So, unang budol dito sa Vietnam. So guys, finally nandito na tayo sa Cu Chi Tunnels, and behind me is yung kanilang map. So, we'll stay here for an hour or 2. Medyo malaki-laki kasi itong areang to, so marami may explore, and meron din daw shooting range. So, we'll see kung pwede tayong mag-shooting range and explore lang natin tong buong lugar na ito. So, as you can see on their map, yan. Medyo it's a big place to explore. Ayan, kaya sisimula na natin i-explore. Iniintay lang namin yung iba namin kasama kasi nag-CR sila. So this tour that I got from Klook includes everything na guys. So wala na kayong babayaran kahit na ano. So pati yung mga tickets dito, ganyan. Libre na lahat. Ayan, so pagpasok nyo, ito yung makikita ninyo. Souvenirs, ayan, patches. We also have rifles over here. Mga rifles, tapos ito mga bomba. So guys, ito yung entrance ng Cu Chi Tunnels. Kung nag-book kayo ng tour via Klook, bibigyan kayo ng ganitong ticket ng inyong tour guide na i-scan dito sa gate para makapasok kayo. Yan. So, ini-scan lang lahat. Thank you. So, lalagyan kayo ng ganitong sticker, guys, kapag nag-scan kayo ng ticket. So, dire-diretso na tayo. So, guys, this is Cu Chi Tunnel /Forest. This is the first stop.
I will open it and you can tune down.
Okay, see you.
I can make group, and the first one here. This is a secret door, but the government they make it open for the tourists come and have a look. So, who want to try it?
Go down.
Yeah, you want, right? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
my
Okay, let's
goodness.
not try anymore.
That's a yeah.
Oh my.
You remember? I remember you want to try, right? Change over by the right leaf. Look like this one. And the soldier they use the right leaf to cover a secret door. So in here we have a secret door in this area. But you know that for the soldier, if they want to find our secret door, they need to look on the tree. If the tree they have a cut like this or across, the soldier they knew that near the tree we have a secret door, and then we try and find our secret door and try and get inside the tunnel. And now that is your turn. Try and find our secret door. You can step like this. Just step first, and you can feel it. Come closer to the tree. Just step it first on the
No,
door.
but you said there's a mark.
No mark. That's just a actually this one the government they make it for the tourists come and have a look. Later I will show you about another one. Yeah, you got it. So you can see actually this one the government they make it bigger for the tourists in here. Later I will show with you about original side of the door here.
Oh my god.
But you can have a look about the tunnel. Actually, all of you. So the next one, I will show you. Trust me, you can fit around this area for the secret door. Just want to take a look here. Please remember, put your hand under the door, like this way. Raise your hand and see you tomorrow.
See you in Cambodia.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Latna.
Hindi ko kaya ang madudumihan ako ng bongga, te.
Artehan. Tapos dapat i-take mo yung video.
To put a leaf on the door.
Balik pa ako kasi. Ano tapos pag ganun ko pa.
Guys, medyo malamok dito sa Cuchi Tunnel. So, magdala kayo ng mosquito repellent. And that's also the reason why naka long sleeves ako. Kahit medyo mainit. Kasi ayoko makagat ng mga lamok. Nabasa ko kasi sa vlogs, ganun nga. So, lumusot din ako dun sa maliit na taguan.
And you guess what is it?
Anay. Termite mound.
This is a hole to get the oxygen get inside the tunnel. You can see some hole in this side. Okay, Maker, and now you can see the real tunnel in the past in here. And that is also the real side of the tunnel in the past. And you know that in the past, this area here is for a secret door. But after that, the government, they make it open for the tourists come and have a look. So you know that it's very small. And most of the time when the soldier, they get inside the tunnel, we need to go by our hand in here. And you know, a secret door in here is connected with the fighting change over there. So you know the soldier in the past, they usually use like the rear.
For the ground floor.
Oh, do you want to stay with me? Take a picture?
That's the reason why.
Let's make our photo. 55 until 1975. But you know that the soldier in here, they usually wear the black uniform at night and they wear the green uniform in the daytime. And you know that in the past, after the US, they used the Agent Orange. They spray around this area and they ride the tank from here. And
Tank po.
And they
So guys, pwede kang pumasok dito. Talagang lumang tank to. American tank na ginamit ng Vietnam War. And ito yung loob. Hindi na ako pumasok kasi parang mainit. Pero ayan, pwede ka magpa-picture sa taas. Nag-picture lang ako dito sa taas.
but all of this one, the government, they will make it for you to have a look. And the first one, this is the sticking trap. To make the sticking trap, the soldier, they use 4 spikes and put it in 4 directions. And the spike here is connected a rope. And on the ground, we cover it to look like a secret door. And you can imagine when another people step on the door, the trap here is will fall down, the door is will fall down. And on the spike, it will come and start like in here. Like in 4 directions like this. Yeah, this will fall spike, this will like make you stuck in here. Okay, and the second trap over there, that is the clipping trap. They set up the trap to side. If another people fall down on the spike, it will come and snap your arm up under your arm.
Yikes.
And the third one, that is the rolling trap. Do you know the song Rolling in the Deep of the Hill? That is the rolling trap.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, and the next one, this is the window trap. It looks like the clipping trap. Also to side like this. If another people fall down, it will stuck over there. And the next one, you can call this one is chair or the hammock trap.
Oh
Ala.
my
It's a
God.
Palala ang palang.
Okay, and the next one, the other is similar. They move to the fish trap here. The local soldier, they put the trap inside a hole, and if another people step on the trap on the spike, it will lift your leg and get in the center over there. Okay, and the next one, this is the seesaw trap. It's like the seesaw game. If another people fall down on the spike, this will stop the face, the shoulder, and the back in here.
Oh my God.
And you can come closer here, and you know that on the spike in here, the soldier, they make it from the B-52 bomb shell. You know, after the GI, they dropped the bomb in this area to destroy on the tunnel, destroy on the village of the local people. After that, the local people, they go outside, they collected the bomb shell. And bunker here, it's just on the ground. And we didn't have the roof look like this. So if the soldier, they want to come to
Gumagalaw sila guys. Dito sila gumagawa ng weapons. Guys, in all fairness, dito sa Cuchi Tunnels tour na to, very informative and educational siya. Marami kang malalaman tungkol sa culture and tungkol dun sa basic techniques ng mga Vietnamese pagdating dun sa Vietnam War. So, kahit wala silang armas, wala silang barrel and all that, nakakagawa sila ng mga armas to protect themselves and to fight. So, very good to guys for me. So, andito na tayo guys sa shooting range. So guys, ito yung price of bullets. 60,000 VND per bullet. Dapat minimum of 10. Ayan, so bumili ako ng bala ng AK guys. Tatry natin mag-shoot.
Yeah, you finished.
So yun guys, na-experience ko humawak ng mahaba-habang barel, parang ng AK-47. So, ang lakas ng recoil niya guys, hindi ko alam kung nakikita dun sa video, pero grabe. Nakapag-try na ako mag-shooting range before sa Manila, pero pistol lang. So ito, it's a different kind of experience, and ang lakas ng tunog ng barel nila. Grabe. So dito din guys sa may shooting range, meron mga bilihan ng food. Tapos meron din souvenir shop. Yan.
It's Iraq. And you know that is the center the soldier they wore this one during the wartime. And we just use the tire of the car to make all the center in here. The first one, the soldier he used a knife look like this, and he did a little bit shampoo. And after that he cut the shape of the sandal. And after he cut the shape of the sandal, he will put a small hole in this area, look like this one. And after that, he will use another one. That is the spoon. You know the spoon for you to eat, right? It gives the spoon look like this. And then he will drop in here, and he press it, and he can make the sandal. So this is the way for the soldier to make the sandal in here. But you know that during the wartime, the soldier, he didn't use the sandal.
So guys, this is the moment of truth. Pupunta na kami sa tunnels mismo. So meron siyang different variations. Pwedeng 20 meters, 40 meters, 60, or the full 100 meters. So we'll see kung saan tayo aabot. And ito yung entrance niya. So guys, pababa na tayo. Let's go!
Is it okay?
Sorry?
Can you help me take some photos?
Yeah, sure. Yep, of course.
I took photos of you with the gun, so
It's okay. Yeah.
Traffic. Oh, jump, jump, jump.
Ito na guys.
Okay. Sama ba? O yung light mo, kailangan yung light para sa video mo. Aray yung...
sorry kasi hindi ko nakikita.
Hello, traffic sa tunnels guys.
Longer.
Take a picture. Buti na lang nag-leg day ako guys. Ayan, dito tayo.
Okay.
Going 40 meters na tayo guys.
Oh yeah.
Bababa ulit. Nakakahingal to. Nawala na yung sinusundan ko. Oh, guys. Ito na. Paakit naman ulit.
Backward.
So, ganyan naman daw. Makakapagod tong ginawa natin guys.
Hả? Mình thấy sao
The lady.
We made it. And she went out.
She went out now.
Grabe. 100 meters yun, guys. Grabe. Grabe yung pawis ko. Kasi sobrang kakaibang experience ng Cuchi Tunnels na to. 100 meters sa ilalim. We made it. Hindi pa rin tapos, guys. May mapupuntahan pa rin dito sa Cuchi Tunnels. Pero patapos na ata. And payo lang, guys, kung pupunta kayo dito sa tunnels na to, huwag kayo magle-leg day prior. Kasi mahirapan kayo. So, last stop, guys, is titikim ng food nila tsaka ng tea. Ito. Tapos ito yung tea.
Good.
So, this is their kitchen. And kung mapapansin nyo, guys, nakalubog. Sa totoong buhay daw, dun sa Vietnam War, talagang nakalubog yung kitchen nila. Walang bubong. Pero syempre, since in-explain na lang ngayon, kaya nilagyan na nila ng bubong. Dito lumalabas yung usok, guys, mula dun sa kitchen na yun. Galing. So guys, yun. Patapos na rin kami dito sa Cuchi Tunnels and we're off to our next destination, which is Mekong Delta. So, pagod na pagod ako dito sa Cuchi Tunnels na to. Pero sulit and worth it, masaya. So, 2 hours from Cuchi Tunnels in Mekong Delta. So, sana makapahinga tayo doon sa biyahe.